Hi, Diane Foisy here with Calligraphy by Diane Foisy. I have many years of, in fact, over 40 years of professional experience with calligraphy. And I was wondering, are you struggling with the cursive handwriting style, especially the little bit fancier style? Well, here today I'm demonstrating to you the cursive style done in gold ink on dark green envelopes. It was actually done for my client this week, and I thought I'd do a couple of short clips of me doing these, and then you can see how it's done. And stay tuned to the end, because if you're interested in wanting to know more about how to do this, I will let you know more at the end of this video. Okay? Here we go. Hi, how did you like that? If you want to learn more about the cursive handwriting style, check down below in the description, and I have a free link for you to download, and so you can actually get started, okay? And I look forward to seeing you on the other side.